Hello, welcome to How to Troubleshoot a User in the ITRAK 365 system. On my screen right now, you will see the most commonly seen error message in the system, and we will discuss how to remove this error message and allow your users to access the ITRAK portal. Also in this video, we will discuss how to troubleshoot a mobile user to ensure they are using the correct login and PIN information. So to begin, we will navigate to our ITRAK 365 model-driven app. On the bottom left, we will navigate to Employees. We will select the Employee table, and we will search for the user that is having issues. We will select their name or the check mark on the left-hand side, select Edit, and from here, we will want to check a couple of things. So for the case of the portal error message, we want to go to Security. Make sure you're using the employee HSC form by clicking this drop down here. If you cannot see that, please reach out to support@itrak365.com for information. And you want to ensure that the system user is being filled out. Once we know that that value exists, we will then go into related, go down into user options admin, and we want to make sure that the user has one of these records. If they have two, we recommend deleting the oldest one. If you get this SQL Server error record, please make sure that instead of deleting it, we will just deactivate that user options admin. If we still cannot access the portal at this time, we will go to admin.powerplatform.com. On the left-hand side, we will go to environments. We will select the environment in which the user lives in. On the right-hand side, where it says users, we will select see all. We will search for my user once more. We will hit the check mark on the left-hand side. On the top, we will go to manage security roles. And we will make sure at a minimum that we have ITRAK user. If these three steps are completed and the user can still not access the ITRAK portal, please reach out to support@itrak365.com for further troubleshooting tips. In the case that a mobile user cannot access their ITRAK mobile app, we want to make sure that in the employee area of the model-driven app and under security, the username has been filled out and the PIN number on the bottom contains data. So a very common troubleshoot or a very common error that people come across with is that they will use this username with this PIN number. That will not work as this PIN number is meant for the ITRAK portal. This PIN number down here is meant for the mobile user. As a better example of this, I will open up somebody who has that mobile PIN filled out. So you see here, so Ryan Fergo, if he tried using this PIN number up top, it would not work. He would have to use this PIN number at the bottom. Another thing that people might have concerns with when logging in with Microsoft if there's an issue, what we want to ensure is that this username at the bottom here is equivalent to the username within the Active Azure directory. If there's a discrepancy between spelling, if the domain name is different, then the user will not be able to access the Microsoft login. And for any further troubleshooting tips with the ITRAK mobile app, we do recommend, if there's been errors, that the user will log out fully or actually, uninstall and reinstall the app to get rid of any system operating issues that may occur within the mobile device itself. If none of these steps work, please reach out to support@itrak365.com so that we can help you with further troubleshooting tips. Thank you.